Hi guys, welcome to Discovery Hour. Today's video, we're doing lemon buttery science experiment. The materials needed are lemon, next copper plate, zinc plate, alligator clips, watch LCD screen. What do you think will happen if we connect LED lights with lemon? A. It will explode. B. It will light up. C. Nothing happens. Now come, let's find the answer. And doing the experiment, always remember safety first. Squeeze the lemon gently to lose its juice pocket. Second, puncture the copper plate and the zinc plate into the lemon. Then connect the alligator clip to the copper plate and zinc plate. Finally, connect the LED light or the watch to the last pair of copper plate and zinc plate. My observation is it will not light up if you not connect it properly with one lemon. I therefore conclude that we need enough lemons to serve as electrolytes to help the electrons move from zinc plate to copper plate to make LED light up. So the answer is B. If we connect LED lights to lemon, it will light up. Trivia time! Lemon juice and hot water is good for a sore throat as it is antibacterial and high in vitamin C. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye! Thank you for watching. You want to see a magic? Watch till the end.
What are you gonna show, Father?
Magic.
Magic? Okay, magic lemon daw. Okay, go.
Oh!
Wow! Nawala ang lemon!
No, I want it back.
Put it back!
Ah.
Oh!